Good morning, fit and healthy family. Good morning. So I'm back at you again with another omelet, and all it is 5 egg whites stuffed with tricolored peppers and the other 4 asparagus spears that I get with this meal. There are 4 there. I air fried the asparagus, and that's why it looks a little crispy, very tasty. And then I sauteed the peppers in the pan, and then put the egg whites in the pan where the peppers were, and then stuff the stuff the peppers in the egg whites, and I just folded it over, and it's on a bed of spring mix lettuce, and I cooked it in. Hang on, let's see. I cooked it in this iCook pan. So iCook is a really high quality cookware that is available on my retail site. So these are the features of it. OptiTemp, I guess it optimizes temperature throughout the pan perfectly. You can use it with the gas or electric stove, induction cooking, and you hand wash it. And you don't have to turn the heat way up. It can be low and it just cooks beautifully. Does not stick, so you don't have to use any oil. Yeah. So thank you, Margie, for this iCook cookware. It's amazing. I will show it in the next video. I'm not going to show it today, but I need to figure out how I can show you guys what I'm actually doing in the kitchen in an efficient way. So I am in search of someone to help me with this right now. All right. Take care. Hope this helps you. Again, 5 egg whites, 2 servings of tricolored peppers, about 30 calories worth, and 8 asparagus spears, I don't know, 20 calories or something, on a bed of spring mix salad, another 8 calories, something low. So if you want to lose body fat, if you want to get lean, if you want to be healthy, you need to eat high fiber, high protein, and keep the energy low, low fat, low carb. I am getting oatmeal with this meal today, but that is a cleaner kind of carb. I'm not adding any butter to it. So if you're going to do oats, you want to maybe do a half serving of fruit or something, but no oil. Okay, oils or fats and carbs don't go together. Not if you're trying to be lean, but if you're trying to enjoy cookies and donuts and just be entertained by your food, that's how you want to go. All right, take care. Have a good day. Bye now.